Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on this look, and it's exciting because I'm using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. I got it in the mail in PR about a week ago, but I just finally had the time to sit down and film a look. I'm not doing an in-depth review. I'm doing more of a look, and I'll obviously give you guys my thoughts on the formula as I'm working with it. But I also wanted to throw in a couple of other new products that I got in the mail. For example, the Pat McGrath highlighters, which are relatively new, and just a few more. So it's a mix of old products, new products, and I don't know, I feel like this look is perfect for just fall nights. It's dreamy, it's glittery, but it's still super wearable. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Wow, I'm really talking with my hands today. Before we get started, the question of the week is going to be, are you into more powder products when it comes to your complexion, or are you more into creams? So that could be foundation, blushes, just about anything, bronzers, anything that goes on your face. Are you more into creams, or are you more into powders when it comes to everyday use? And without further ado, let's get started. All right, we're doing this. I feel like I haven't filmed in forever, even though I've been uploading, but this week I was not filming much. Anyway, all right, so I'm going to start with my base, even though this morning I looked so rough that I did put a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and I was concealing some pimples, some visitors. Although I don't even think this is a pimple, it might be a cold sore. I don't even know what's going on. But anyway, I am gonna go ahead and put on some foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Luminous Silk by Giorgio Armani, because y'all know that's my favorite. It's so good, and it's in the shade 6.5. So I'm just gonna buff this with my Kabuki brush by It Cosmetics. This is the double-ended Kabuki brush. By the way, I got my third one pierced, and it hurt so bad, so bad. So the first two, I did it with a gun at Claire's. Seriously, I was so low-key about it. I just walked into Claire's as an adult and got my ears pierced. And it was totally fine, it didn't hurt. But then the third one, I was at an event and they were doing it with a needle, and I was like, is this gonna hurt? And the guy was like, no, it's no worse than popping a pimple. And I was like, okay, let's do it. And it hurt. He totally lied. It hurt so bad. I was screaming. But yeah, I wanna get one more here and then I'll be done. I kind of miss wearing foundation because lately I haven't been wearing foundation. I love just wearing concealer and not putting foundation all over the skin, because it just I don't know, it looks more natural, and also just helps my skin stay clear of acne and all of that. I have a 10-minute makeup tutorial, I'll link below. I basically just do a 10-minute makeup with no foundation, and it's what I've been doing lately. And then for my concealer, I'm going in with my Dose of Colors concealer in number 16. It's such a good one for a really nice medium to full coverage, which is great for days where I'm I need it, okay? I need the under eyes covered, I need this guy covered. And then I'm actually gonna use my beauty blender to blend this, because today I'm not lazy and I actually have a damp beauty blender. Usually I'm so lazy about that stuff, and I just use a brush. And then I'm gonna set it in place with my Pat McGrath powder. Oof. I'm gonna try to speed through this. I'm gonna quickly do my brows off camera, so BRB, I feel like I do the same thing over and over again, so I'm sure you're tired of seeing it. All right, we're back. I wanna try the brand new Pat McGrath highlighters. These look intense. They're so glittery and pigmented. I don't know how it's gonna look on the skin, so let's just give it a go and see how it looks. Ooh, that is really intense. I feel like these would look much better on the eyes. I don't love it on my skin. It just looks a little too glittery. Well, it is too glittery. And it's got a fun blue undertone, which is, again, it's fun, but not my vibe. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it with my foundation brush. It'll still kind of be there, but it won't be as intense. So yeah, I think these are cool for the eyes, but I wouldn't necessarily say it's good for the skin, for the face, just because it's a little extreme. For my bronzer, I'm gonna just do a light layer of my Milk bronzer, but then I'm gonna go over it with the Kylie one, just because I haven't tried that one yet. So I just wanna give it a go. Now I'm just gonna use my Kylie Cosmetics Tequila Tan bronzer. I think this is one of her more popular bronzers. I just ordered it online because it's let me see what this bronzer hype is all about. It's a little light for me, I feel. Actually, No, it's buildable, so once you build it, it's fine. But I'm gonna go back and blend because now I feel like I just have so much product on my skin. And then I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier blush. It's so pretty. It's like a nude peach shade, and it's in the shade Fresco. I was gonna use this Dior brush, but it like sheds like crazy, and I've been washing it non-stop and it's still shedding. So I just need to put that away and never use it again. I feel like I need some chapstick. My lips are so dry. For the amount of water I drink, I don't know why my lips are so dry. This is probably the most exciting part of the video. I'm gonna move on to my eyes with my Tati Beauty Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. This is such a like heavy duty, really good quality eyeshadow palette. I really like what she's done with like the format of this. She has all of the finishes written right here. So she's got glitter, metallic, sequin, matte. That way you're just getting rows and not necessarily names per shade. I think that's kind of cool and different. I don't think I've ever seen a palette like that. So I'm gonna start with a transition shade. I'll just go in with this guy right here, and it's an all matte transition shade. And I'm just gonna apply that on my crease. I don't have any specific like primer on my eyes. I just have my concealer all over my eyelids, which is what I normally do with any eyeshadow. So I feel like this is just like a good way to test these out for the first time. Wow, these are so pigmented already, I can tell. A little bit goes a long way. Very soft and smooth. It just like blends so easily. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of this chocolate brown, and I'm just gonna kind of build on it. So I'm just gonna apply that on the outer corners again and kind of just bring it all the way in. These are very, very pigmented, so I would say a little bit goes a long way. You always wanna just like start small and build your way up. Why am I falling asleep, you guys? I just spilled. I have to show you what I just did. I just spilled my tea all over everything. Good job, Sona. Who else is clumsy like me? I don't even know why I have like water or tea or anything near my makeup, because I'm gonna spill it. We all know I'm gonna spill it. Back to the tutorial. I'm still gonna build this because I mean, I have so many harsh edges. I need like a clean, fluffy brush for it. I just need to make sure all of that is gone, gone, gone. Let me know how you guys are liking this like different style of B-roll of showing you guys the products. I feel like it's more real. It's really on my desk and how I pick up things. So if you guys enjoy it, let me know so I can continue doing that for all my videos. I literally just use my phone to do that, by the way, just to like film it. These blend so nicely. Wow, beautiful formula. So I want to play with one of the glitter shades because they're just like staring at me. I think I'm gonna go in with this like bronzy shade. That is so beautiful. The texture feels very cream to powder. When I was storing this for the first time, I was like, they feel kind of like gel-like, cream-like, powder-like formula. It's just all mixed in one. It's beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers because I know with these kinds of eyeshadows, your fingers are gonna work the best. So don't even bother. I mean, I'm sure you can use a flat brush, but I'm telling you, like with your fingers, you're gonna get the most impact. Wow, this would be so pretty for like the holidays. Isn't it so glittery? Like no fallout. Do I have any? A little bit, but not like, imagine if this was like actual glitter. This would be all over my face. You know what? I'm actually gonna take this up a bit because I like how that's looking. Just around the center. Okay, maybe I did a little too much on this side. Wow, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness, so easy to work with and so fun because like glitter is not easy to apply. So in this formula, it's just so easy and effortless. I love it. Now I'm gonna try the shimmers because that was the glitter, but I'm gonna try the shimmers. So I'm just gonna pick up like a shimmery light shade and apply it on the inner corners just to like see how well it works. Yeah, the shimmer's beautiful. So far, all the textures are just absolutely stunning. So for my bottom lash line, I'm just gonna use the darkest brown in the palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on the bottom lash line. And then just kind of blend it. For the top, I'm just gonna mix a little bit of the black, and then just kind of extend it. So I feel like I tested all of the different finishes and all of them are just so beautiful. The mattes are very soft and buttery and they blend like a dream. The glitter is just stunning. I love the formula of the glitter, and then the shimmers are also very beautiful. It's not like a metallic-y shimmer, it's more of just like a true shimmery eyeshadow, which is great for like highlighting the inner corners, the brow bone. It just looks really beautiful all together, and I feel like all of the eyeshadows definitely work well together. They like blend in and like it just looks really, really cohesive together. So I'm just gonna move on. I'm gonna use my Persona Cosmetics black liner on the inner rim. I'm also extending it out just a little bit and then just kind of dragging it with a lipstick brush actually. Gonna curl the lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier mascara. I don't think I've ever used this on my channel. I've used it just like in real life, but not on camera. So let's just give it a go. It's more of like an everyday mascara, I would say. It's not like super intense, but it's great if you want just like a natural kind of layer for every day. But I am gonna go ahead and apply some individuals. So I thought this would be good. Oh, no, I thought there was like a scent to it, but never mind. I am tripping. I think I was like literally smelling peaches, but it does not smell like peaches. I don't even know what I'm saying, honestly. I think I haven't had enough coffee today. I do this thing when I'm looking for makeup or like something I can't find. I'm just like jazz fingers. I don't know why I do that, but I do that. It's very weird. So I feel like there's just like a few sparse areas. I'm just gonna go ahead and use some individuals. For this, I don't know why, like I just don't have lashes in this one area. And if you guys have been with me for a long time, you probably remember me complaining about this multiple times. I'm done with the eyes. I don't think I'm gonna do any more because I feel like it's already kind of a lot with like the glitter and the outer corner smokiness. So I'm just gonna move on to my lips. I literally don't know what I'm doing with my lips because I've got so much in front of me. But I feel like I'm just gonna stick to this YSL lipstick because it's so pretty and I feel like it'll really match with the eyeshadow and the colors are just beautiful. So this is a YSL lipstick in number 123. So it's like more of a deeper nude. And I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the MAC lip liner in Strip Down. I always overline my top, especially because, I don't know, it just looks so much better. Yeah, this is the finished look. I love how it turned out. I actually don't think I do this lip color that often because I feel like I go either light nude or just with a deeper like vampy shade or like a red, but this is kind of like a deeper nude, which I really, really like as a lipstick. And yeah, I think the look is done. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And before you head out, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I do upload. And other than that, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.